Edutourism Workshop, the amazing English tour and step up.
Hello everyone, my name is Hồng Phúc. I'm a tour leader at Amazing English Tour and I'm also a reporter of today's video. And do you know that if we combine the word educational and tourism, it turns out to be a new word, which is edutourism. What is edutourism and its effects on human? Let's find out together at today's workshop called Collect Moments, Not Things, which is held by Amazing English Tour and Step Up. Guys, I'm at the venue of the Edutourism Workshop today, and as you can see here, there are many people attending the workshop. Perhaps they are curious about the phrase edutourism like us. As I can see here, this is Vietnamese booth and this is Southeast Asian booth. Let's see what in these two booths that attract so many visitors. Follow me! Well, there are many games as well as knowledge about each country's cultural aspects. Let's play a game, okay? Okay, so can you describe this video game for me?
Yes, now in here we have some picture with the icon or the emotion, and you can guess the proverb or the province of or the meaning of this picture.
Okay.
Yes, you can choose the picture in here.
I'll choose one here, right?
Yes.
Let's pick this.
Okay, in here we have the clue. Can you guess?
Is the clue capital city of Vietnam? What city of Vietnam is this? What city of Vietnam is this? Is it Hanoi?
Yes, I know that's the correct answer.
I got a correct answer.
Congratulations, one gift for you.
Thank you. Guys, I have just received a present from the Vietnam booth, and right now let's move to the Southeast Asian booth.
So in our Southeast Asian booth, we will offer two challenges to our young participants. It is often questions about places in Southeast Asian countries, food in each.
Oh,
and then,
I see.
Yes. In the second challenge, we would often say hello in multiple languages in Southeast Asia, and each participant have to say where's the country that the hello was from.
I'll choose challenge number 2.
Sawadika.
Sawadika. It means hello, right?
Yes.
So I guess Sawadika is from Laos.
Lao is an incorrect
Oh,
answer.
incorrect answer. How about Thailand?
Yes.
Thailand is a correct
Thailand is the
answer.
correct answer, yes. Next to me here is the founder and manager of Amazing English Tour, and she's also the one who held today's workshop, Collect Moments, Not Things. Can you tell me the reason why you decided to open this workshop?
The reason I opened this workshop because I want to create the environment for the children and students have the time to speak English and understand more about the tourism. Because through the experience of tourism, the children or students can learn many lessons. They have the unforgettable memory and fun that they really matter. So after this workshop, I know that I think everyone needs to learn English more, need to travel more, and they need to share with everybody more about their life, their thinking, or their expectation. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your answers. Okay, the workshop is about to begin. Let's sit here and enjoy.
and go, but the memories and the experiences will always live inside us. Remember, fill your life with experiences, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff. So go out there, try to experience new things, discover new stuff, and try to define who you are. ขอบใจแล้ว and thank you for listening.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hello, good afternoon everyone. I paint this with my friend a picture of climbing train. Yeah, this picture I paint this. I want to give everyone small message in shape environment. To when I return, I feel very grateful because my story was being shared in the many newspaper. And I think everyone can do it. If I can do well, you will can do well too, right? And I hope everyone will take action right now to accomplish your small goal to take a big dream come true. Don't give up. Let's move forward. Yeah, that's in my story. Thank you for following me. Have a nice day. Last speaker, tháng trước.
Konnichiwa, hejimashite. Hello everyone. Previously, I got the chance to become a junior ambassador at ABCC Bridge Camp 2024, and that trip has changed my life forever. Sometimes you will find that making friends is hard. I do too. But if we take time to understand each other, then we will find that we speak the same language in our hearts. The last thing I want to say to all you guys that if I can believe that I can do it, then I believe that you can too. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Hello. This is one of the audiences of today's workshop, and I will introduce him. Can you introduce your name?
My name is Nhật. Now I'm 12 years old, and now I'm living on Kherson town, Quảng province.
Oh, nice. So, can you tell me your impression of the Collect Moment Nothings workshop, and also what can you learn from the three speakers?
That the workshop is very big, and it has many things like music, and they also invite the Kherson band to here
The Kherson band
to
play music.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for the second question is yes, I have learned something like how to make friends, yes, how to talk something to for my English to be better,
Better, yeah.
improving my English,
Yeah.
and the final thing is to travel is
To learn.
to learn.
Yeah,
Yes.
to travel is to learn.
To learn.
Yeah, thank you for your answer. Hi guys, this is Jisoo and today she will share about her experiences of AET's workshop. Giao Di thì Di có thể chia sẻ cho cháu lý do vì sao Di đăng ký cho con mình tham gia workshop này và cảm nhận của Di khi đến với workshop này là gì?
Mình đăng ký cho con mình là đến dự workshop này vì mình cảm thấy là workshop là một chương trình rất chi ý nghĩa và nó mang đến cho các cháu những điều bổ ích và thú vị, sẽ làm cho các cháu là có khai phá tiềm năng đam mê để du lịch và tìm hiểu mảnh đất và những hương vị của trên mọi miền của đất nước.
Vậy thì cảm nhận của Di khi đến với workshop này, ấn tượng đầu tiên đó là gì?
Ấn tượng đầu tiên của mình là đến với workshop này, thứ nhất là sự thân thiện của ban tổ chức, thứ hai là sự chú đáo, tận tình của ban tổ chức là cho cháu một phụ huynh là yên tâm là có thể là cho các cháu tham gia nhiều hơn nữa vào cái workshop này.
Dạ, cảm ơn Nhi. Well, next to me here is Mr. Thut. Mr. Thut, I love your performances and the Cousin's band performances. Like, it was so touchy. So, can I ask you that for how long have you known Amazing English Tour?
So, since the times, so I first met Miss An, and then so I've known the tour AET for almost 3 years.
What do you think about the educational tourism scheme of Amazing English Tour?
I think so. Like AET has lots of purposes, lots of aim, but their main aim is to bring the people who are learning it together.
Yes.
And so they learn English and they travel, make friends, and learn more skills. Yep, I mean that lots of purposes, lots of aim. That's only the unique target is so bring people together. You and me and our band.
Yeah, thank you for your answer, Mr.
Yep.
Hi guys, next to me here is the two speakers from Edutourism Workshop. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Tenju, or you can call me Anna.
And my name is Nokmi, and you can call me Sue.
Coming to this workshop, Tenju, why do you want to share about the topic Edutourism and your trip to Japan?
Well, I think that edutourism is very important. It's about learning through experiencing. You will get a lot of new lessons and make a lot of friends through your trip. So that is why I want to share about edutourism and my trip to Japan today.
Ngọc Minh, do you think that edutourism can help you to be fully developed?
I think that edutourism will have to be fully developed because when coming to edutourism, you are educated by yourselves by experiencing a lot of things in the tour. So you can learn a lot of things, and from there you develop and understand.
Collect moments, not things. So, as I conclude from today's event, educational tourism offers unique opportunities for people to travel and learn by combining the joys of visiting new places with acquiring knowledge. And with collect moments, not things, they offer new perspective by telling stories of speakers' experiences to new places. They focus on the primary goal of edutourism, which is enriching the learning experience, enhancing cultural aspects, understanding, and nurturing personal development. As a person who loves learning through experience, this trend absolutely has my heart. And as far as I know, edutourism has always been the main theme of AET's tour. Hope that in the future, Amazing English Tour and Step Up will continue sharing more worthwhile knowledges and spreading positive vibes as they always do. And that's also the end of today's podcast. Goodbye and see you. I'm Hồng Phúc.